Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating social media icons with animation. So make sure you like, share and subscribe the channel. So let's start. So this is what we're going to be building today. So you can see that we have 5 social media links, and whenever you hover onto any of these links, you can see that we have a circle popping up with the color of that specific social media. So yeah, let's build this. So in my index.html file, I have the broiler template ready, and I've also added the font awesome link, and I've also added the link to my custom CSS file. And now within the body, I'm gonna create a section tag within which I'm gonna create an UL tag, which I'm gonna name as icon list, within which I'm gonna create list. So I'm gonna use the tag li and give it a class of icon item. Now inside this, I'm gonna add an anchor tag with the class of icon link, and we'll add in the Instagram font awesome icon. Now I'm gonna copy and paste it several more times for Facebook, Dribbble, YouTube and LinkedIn links, and with this we're done with our HTML. Now when I save the file, you can see that we have the icons at the top left corner in the browser. Now in my CSS file, you can see at the top I have the root pseudo selector, and inside of it we have the CSS variables. So I have created different CSS variables for the different colors, and I've also added the background and also the color of the text, and I have also removed the margin and padding. Now I'm gonna select the section and I'm gonna give it width and height 100%, and then add in display flex and would align it at the center using align items and justify content. And then we're gonna add in the background color to this. Now with this, we have something of this sort. Now we're gonna style our icon list, and we're gonna give it width and a max width and also padding, and we're gonna align it using display flex, and we'll add in justify content as space between. Now you can see that we have a space between the icons, and then we're gonna add in icon item, and we're gonna remove the bullet points. So I'm gonna save it and then I'm gonna reload. You can see that we have no bullet points now. After that is done, we're gonna style our icon link. We're gonna add in the property of display inline flex, and would add font size, a text decoration and the color, and would also add in height and width, and will add transition of 0.5 seconds linear, and position relative, and also a z index and margin of auto. Now we're gonna add in icon link, and we're gonna hover it, and on hover we want its color to be white, so we're gonna add that. And now we're gonna style the I tag, and we'll add in margin auto, and also the icon link on hover we're gonna give these few properties. Now first, content's gonna be 0, and we're gonna place it absolutely, and we're gonna add in these values. And also we're gonna add in width and height, and also the background as black. Now with this, you can see that we have a black overlay. Now we're gonna add in border radius to 50%, and now I need to save it, so I'll first save the file and I'll show you again. Now you can see that we have them as circular. Now we want it to be at the backside or background, so we want to add in z index of -1, and you can clearly see that this goes backwards. And then we're gonna add in transform and scale to 0. Now this is gonna make it almost disappear. And now we're gonna add in a transition of 0.3 seconds. All right. Now icon link on hover, we want to target the before pseudo selector, and we want to add in transform scale to 1, so we want to bring it back to its normal form. And also we're going to target the first and child, and we're going to give it the color of the first icon, which is this kind of pinkish color to the Instagram. You can see that rest of the icons are same, so we want to add in 4 more ant child, and we want to add the respective colors to each of the individual links. Now with this, we're done with this.